Don't let anyone define you. You know what you are, you know your true self, you are worth it, and don't let anyone else define who you are. Don't let it affect you. Be true to yourself, everything else will fall in place. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing about myself and my channel. My name is Shri and I welcome you all to my channel. So basically I wanted to start my YouTube channel for so long. It took me a while, but they say that it's better late than never, and finally I started it during the COVID time. It was a great opportunity for me to start, and then I started posting some of my favorite food recipes. Then I posted some of the travel videos. Of course, during this pandemic it's not easy, it's not safe to go outside, but here I live in Canada and I live in Vancouver. Vancouver is awesome, it's beautiful, I love it here, and we get some time and opportunity to go out. And then I thought to myself, why shouldn't I record it and share it with everyone, since it's so beautiful, right? You always want to share good things with everyone. So I started this channel and I'll be posting some of my favorite things that I love to do, about travel, about food recipes, maybe some skincare and makeup, what products I love, and what are the things that I love to do. I love doing some crafts, and I love indoor plants. So I'll be sharing some tips and tricks about how to take care of your indoor plants, which plants are the easiest to take care of, some home decor, some travel, and all those things basically that I love to do. I would love to share with you all. And then I'll be sharing some motivation and some life experiences. Me and my husband, we started our own business together, and as you know, it's not always easy to start your own business in a different country. It's not easy being an entrepreneur. So I'll be sharing all those things. I get a chance to be associated with the great leaders here, and then I thought to myself, why not share it with everyone, right? Someone might get some help, you never know. You shouldn't keep the good things to yourself. That's what I believe in. And I'll be sharing how I evolved as a person, what I was before, and how I evolved myself, and how it changed my surrounding and my life. So to start with, the most important thing is your association. That's what I feel. Your association is the most important thing. It makes a huge difference of what you are and how you think. Say that you are the average of the 5 people you hang around with, right? So if you hang around with 5 broke people, you will be the 6th one. If you hang around with 5 successful people, you will be the 6th one. Remember when we were kids, and remember that our parents always used to tell us that don't hang around with that kid, don't go play with that kid, or don't talk to that person or whatever. Why is that? Because that was the message behind that. You will be like them. Your mind, you will be influenced by those, right? So why not use it in a good way and be associated with good people, right? And if you don't have the opportunity to change everyone you hang around with, sometimes I understand it's not easy, then you change yourself, and then you impact others to change in a good way, right? And how you can discipline yourself, how you can train your mind. Like we need food every single day, we need motivation every single day to go through the day and go through our struggles and challenges. It's not only the people you associate with, it also matters what you see. If I love movies, right, and then I cannot stop watching movies, then I thought to myself, why should I watch all those movies that affects my brain in a different way? There are tons of documentaries, there are tons of movies on people and entrepreneurs and something good and how your mind works. There are so many things in Netflix that you can find nowadays, and at the same time on YouTube there are so many people who are trying to impact the world in a good way. You can follow them, you can read good books, you can watch good movies, you can listen to good podcasts, you can listen to all these good audiobooks. Nowadays we are so privileged, technology is everything, and they provide us with all the good things. It's up to you if you want to take the good things, or you want to only get involved with people that's not gonna help you go anywhere, right? At first you want to find your purpose in life, what you want to do. Like for me, I want to inspire people, and how I can inspire people, I need to change myself first, and then whatever I learn I pass it on to others, and then some way I might help someone. There are so many challenges. People are nowadays just watch those like Instagram posts and Facebook posts. People are traveling, everyone looks beautiful, everyone have those fancy cars and all those things. Don't compare yourself with others. Just everything is not true, right? You cannot believe everything that you see, but however, you can use it in a good way. You can listen to good things, read good books, do some self-help. Like I love self-help books, I used to read it a lot. So I realized that whatever you think the most, that's what you attract. If you constantly thinking about people, who thinks what, who is doing what, and all these negative things, that's what you attract. If you think about good things, what you want in your life, and if you want to be happy, you want to be healthy, that's what you attract. So ever since I was a kid, I always wanted to live in a high-rise building with a water view, and then that's all I thought about. When I grow up, I would love to live there, and that's what I got. So they say that you have to put it out in the universe. So whatever you really truly want, you have to put it out in the universe, and you keep thinking about that, and that's all you get, right? So if you keep thinking about all these negative things or bad things happening to you, that's all you will get. That's how the universe works. That's what God wants to give you, whatever you ask for, right? So be very mindful whatever you are thinking and how the pattern in your mind works. It's like a pattern. If you keep thinking about negative things and all these bad things, then that's all you get. Why I gave the example of the condo I live in, because now I feel so blessed that I live in 25th floor. Why I'm sharing this? The only reason I'm sharing this is I've always, back of my mind, I always wanted a sea view apartment on a top floor, and then that's what I got. I never knew that I'd come here in Canada and get an opportunity to live here. But then, if not here, if I'm in India, I would still work towards it to get it. So if you want to be happy, if you want to be healthy, if you want to be peaceful, do those things that will help you get there. You want to be peaceful in your mind, you meditate, or you do some yoga or some exercise, or stay away from people that impact you. I see so many people bullying is common nowadays, like in internet, in like your family, relatives, friends. People don't want to praise you, but you be the person who praises others. Make them feel blessed, make them feel like, give them some hope that they can do something in their life. There are so many more things that I would love to share with you all. There are so many more topics that I would love to cover. This was just an introduction. I'm super excited. I wanted to share so many things, but this is what here I will stop today. So be mindful about your association. Take care of your mind. Just stay calm. I see so many people are getting anxiety, stressed, and depressed. Then at the end, it impacts your heart, and then people are getting so many diseases nowadays, like cancer, heart attack. All two main reasons I never knew. Like stress is the main cause to get a cancer, apart from all those smoking and all those other things. If you keep that aside, I see people surviving cancer and heart attack just because they stay calm, just because they don't give up. I don't want to use that word, because they don't care about others. They don't care about all these negative things. I want you to know that you are beautiful, you are blessed, you are enough. You can do anything that you want to do as long as you work towards it. So just stay focused on yourself, your family, and then you can make a change in your life, in your family, and maybe in the entire community. You can impact in a good way. Stay motivated, stay positive, spread positivity, empower people. You don't need to do anything. Just give compliments to people, make them happy, make them feel happy about themselves, help someone get better. Nowadays, you don't have people to talk to. That's why they feel stressed and anxiety, and people are going through depression and so many things during the pandemic. When there are people, if you should feel blessed if you actually lived with someone. There are people who were just stuck in an apartment all by themselves. Do you realize how stressful it is? So always be blessed. I am sure that there is always something to feel blessed and to be thankful about. I hope I shared some value and it gives you some value whatever I shared, and it might help you to look at life in a different way and to approach life in a different way, that you have all the power in your hands, in your mind, to change everything about yourself or about your life that you don't like. Stay positive, stay motivated, keep rocking, trust yourself, trust in God, be blessed. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Please do let me know how you like it, and if there is any topic that you would like me to cover. Thank you so much for all the support. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I love you all. Bye.